Hey everyone, it's Zach Beck. Today I want to talk to you about how you may receive 2 tax refunds from the IRS this year, and this is due to the fact that the pandemic that hit our country has actually delayed our tax filing requirement. Originally we file our taxes on April 15th, however this time we have to file our taxes on July 15th. So with that being said, what I want to do in this video is share what this particularly means and how you can use some of this additional revenue to help you move forward and achieve your financial goals. So let's jump into it right now. As previously mentioned, due to the illness that swept across the nation, the tax filing deadline moved from April 15th to July 15th. And as a result of that, many individuals filed their taxes earlier around the April 15th category, and some have waited until July 15th. What we're going to find though is that millions of Americans are set up to receive 2 checks from the IRS this upcoming year. One specifically related to their tax refund and the other due to the actual interest on that refund. Specifically in government code, the IRS is required to pay interest on anything delayed after 45 days. So if you filed your tax refund around April 15th, what you're going to find is that anything that you're going to receive after that is going to have interest accruing on it daily. And this is important to understand. So when you receive 2 checks from the IRS, do not be surprised, but understand that you might have a little bit of extra revenue coming in. Now you might be asking, what kind of interest rate am I going to receive with my second check? And it really depends upon when your refund is issued. So if your refund is issued before June 30th, which is the end of the second quarter, then you're going to receive a 5% interest rate compounded daily after you originally filed your taxes. So that's what you're going to receive in your second check. Now, if you're receiving a refund after that, say after July 1st running through September, then you would actually receive a 3% interest rate compounded daily. So what you're going to find is that it really depends upon when you filed your taxes, how you file your taxes, whether you like to e-file or if you mailed your taxes in, and then when your refund is being issued. So just be aware that you're going to receive some form of a second check, most likely if you're due a refund. Now bear in mind, this is not going to be a substantial amount of revenue that's coming your way, because the average refund that's issued to Americans is a little over $2,700 according to the most recent statistics from the IRS. But you're going to receive some form of an interest payment, and if you're due a large refund, then you should be due a larger second check with that interest. So it's just something to be aware of. Don't want you to get caught off guard when you receive this additional check that's coming your way. And it's very important because it's going to be a little additional revenue that you're going to find your way. So overall, it's actually a nice benefit of us having this delayed tax filing season, and hopefully another way for you to bring in some additional revenue. And you might be asking yourself, well, what should I do with this extra finances that are coming in? So, whether it's going to be $20, $200, a couple $1,000, really depending upon your current situation, what my encouragement would be is just to follow the basic financial principles that I talk about all the time on this channel. Do what you can to cut back on certain expenses. Do what you can to pay down any high interest debt. Do what you can to invest into the stock market through index funds. Do anything that you can to make yourself financially whole so you're able to achieve your long-term goals. And when you're looking at investing, also consider your long-term aspirations, specifically in the form of an IRA or a 401k, and how you can contribute into those particular accounts. So if you are due to have a good amount of money coming your way because of this second check, or also just because of your refund that's coming back your way, try and find ways for you to actually allocate those resources in a very strategic manner. It might not be the best time for you to go and buy, unnecessary clothing or purchase, an appliance or technological gear, unless it's really going to help you bring in additional revenue because it helps your position, or you create a new job, or you create some new business for yourself. But if you can take that money, set it aside, either place it in an emergency fund, put it into an index fund, place it off of some of your high interest debt, just depending upon your personal financial situation, put that money to work. So that way it's going to help you be more financially secure moving forward. With all that being said, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch the video today. If you wouldn't mind, please like the video. It actually really helped the channel out for the YouTube algorithm, help push this video to other people who might need to hear a message like this. In addition, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment down below. I'd love to interact with you, get to know you, answer any additional questions you have, and try and help you as you navigate through this interesting time that we're going through right now. And furthermore, if you'd like to learn a little bit more about what's going on the channel, watch more videos, and see what's going on here, please subscribe. I would really be honored if you subscribe to the channel, as I'm going to continue to create content that hopefully provides a positive impact into your life by encouraging all of us to lead lives of meaning and purpose, all while maintaining balance and moderation. And if you do subscribe to the channel, please tap the notification bell. That will notify you every time I post a video, which I try and do on a weekly basis. So once again, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch the video today. I hope you have a wonderful remainder of your day. Talk to you next time.